Hi there and welcome to this video where I will be showing you how you can get your friends and family members to become your customers abroad. My name is Jackie Empowers Ngomesier. I am coming to you from Orlando, Florida, USA. I have business partners in Africa, in Namibia, in South Africa, who have family members or friends who live abroad, who live overseas. You have family members and friends who live in Canada, who live in the UK, who live in the United States of America, who are in France and Italy, Germany. You need to get them to become your customers. They will make very good customers. So let's assume that your friend who lives in Canada wants to buy your detox tea because they have been seeing you, they've been seeing you posting on Facebook and on social media, Instagram, about this powerful detox tea, weight loss tea that we have, and they want to buy a month's supply. What do? It's simple, very simple. You send them your LurraLife website. Once you send them your website and they open it, they're going to see something that looks like this. Your website is going to look like this. Also, feel free to share this video with them so that they can see the process. Now, they're going to go ahead and click on menu, and they will click on shop now. And they will go ahead and select any product of their choice, but for the purposes of this example, we're going to select the detox tea. The detox tea, the Dr. Miller's, not just any detox tea, the Dr. Miller's detox tea. So we're going to look for the 4 weeks supply. Because they live abroad, they want to make sure that they have enough supply for the month. So the system is going to ask your friend in Canada to choose their country. So you want to click the drop down menu and look for Canada. There we go. That's Canada right there. But let's assume that you have other friends and family members in other countries, like most Africans have family members in Canada, in Germany, in France, in Italy, in the United Kingdom, in the UK, and in the US. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that if you're in Africa and you're a distributor of LurraLife, you want to make sure that all your family members and friends who live abroad have your website. They're going to love these products. And once they get on your website and buy these products, you're going to make 50%. That is a lot of money. So in this case, your friend in Canada went ahead and selected her country, and she has to scroll down all the way down and select continue as preferred customer. Once she hits that, it's going to take her to another screen that looks like this. She's looking for the 4 weeks supply of the Dr. Miller's detox tea. There we go. Dr. Miller's detox tea, 4 packs. This is 4 weeks supply. She will click choose this pack, and the system will ask her to put in her information, her address, where she wants this tea to be shipped to, from the US to Canada, not to you in Africa. You don't touch the products, you don't see the products, but you get paid. How cool is that? You live in Africa, you're in Namibia, you have a friend in Canada, they go to your website, they buy the tea. LurraLife ships the tea from the US to Canada without you doing anything, and you get paid for it. This is powerful. They will select a payment, put in the information, and click on continue to review. The system is going to ask them to review the information that they input, their address, their payment details, and all that. Once they review it and it's correct, they will hit on shop now or buy now. And that's the end of it. It's as simple as that. You send your website to everyone you know who lives abroad, and let them become your customers. I wish you all the best. and let's make some money together. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.